Good evening, you're watching Such Star Reality with me, Nana Sareen. From regional to national updates, we bring you the top 10 stories making headlines today. Have a look. Renowned writer and Sahitya Akademi awardee Anuradha Sharma Pujari was named Assamese of the Year on February 8 for her remarkable contributions to Assamese literature. The award was presented in the presence of Assam Governor Lakshman Prasad Acharya, entrepreneur Riniki Bhuya Sharma and spiritual leader Sadhguru. The Assam government has suspended IAS officer Indreshwar Kalita, Secretary of the Excise Department, following his arrest in a corruption case. Kalita, a 2012 batch officer, was detained under the Prevention of Corruption Act and is now under suspension as per official directives. Delhi Chief Minister Atishi stepped down from her post at 11 a.m. on Sunday following the Bharatiya Janata Party's victory in the Delhi Assembly elections. She has submitted her resignation to the Lieutenant Governance Secretariat. Atishi, a prominent strategist of the Aam Aadmi Party, managed to retain her Kalkaji seat, securing a narrow victory over BJP's Ramesh Bidhuri by a margin of 3,521 votes. BJP is set to form the government in Delhi after 27 years, with the swearing-in likely after Prime Minister Modi's return from his US visit on February 13th. High-level meetings have taken place with 5 key contenders merging for the Chief Minister post: Parvesh Verma, Vijayendra Gupta, Satish Upadhyay, Ashish Sood and Jitendra Mahajan. BJP's central leadership will finalize the decision with a possibility of a fresh or even a women candidate. 12 Naxalis were neutralized in a fierce encounter in Chhattisgarh Bijapur district on Sunday. The gunfight erupted deep inside the forest of Indravati National Park when a team of security personnel launched an anti-Naxal operation based on intelligence inputs. They eliminated 12 insurgents. A theft of rupees 40 lakhs have been reported from Bollywood composer Pritam Chakrabarty's Mumbai office. The amount meant for work-related purposes was kept by Pritam's manager but went missing when an employee, Ashish Sayal, allegedly took the bag and disappeared. His phone remains switched off and he is untraceable. A case has been registered at Malar police station. Israeli Prime Minister Benjamin Netanyahu has reiterated his commitment to destroying Hamas and securing the release of all captives following the 5th hostage-prisoner exchange under the Gaza ceasefire deal. Calling Hamas monsters, Netanyahu stated that Israel would not stop until its objectives were met. A traffic accident involving a bus in southern Mexico, which took place early Saturday morning, killed 41 people. The bus, which was carrying 48 people, collided with a truck, resulting in the deaths of 38 passengers and 2 of the drivers. The local authorities said, adding that the driver of the truck also died. A 40-year-old woman in Shanghai, Mang, orchestrated a sham marriage with a fake millionaire to dupe her relatives into investing rupees 12.8 crore in non-existent property deals. She rented apartments, posing them as real estate investments, until the fraud was exposed. The court sentenced Meng to 12.5 years in prison, while her fake husband and an accomplice also received jail terms. England all-rounder Jacob Battle has been ruled out of ODI series against India due to a hamstring injury. The ECB has called up Tom Banton as his replacement, marking his return to ODIs after 4.5 years. Banton, currently the leading run scorer in ILT20, will join the squad ahead of the 3rd ODI in Ahmedabad.